In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your IP address on Google Chrome. Altering your IP address can enhance your online security, provide access to content from different regions, and maintain your privacy while browsing. Let's dive into the process of achieving this. First, you will need to download a VPN app. A VPN, or virtual private network, reroutes your internet traffic through a server, masking your original IP address and assigning you a new one from the server's location. Begin by selecting a reputable VPN provider. There are many available, each with different features and pricing. Some popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost. Once you've chosen a VPN that suits your needs, download and install its application on your device. Most providers offer dedicated apps for both desktop and mobile devices, so ensure you pick the right one for your setup. After installing the VPN application, you'll want to consider adding an extra layer of convenience by installing its Chrome extension. Many VPN services offer this option, which can be a practical choice for those who primarily want to change their IP address for browsing purposes. It's important to note that when you use a VPN extension for Chrome, it only affects the IP address for traffic through your browser, leaving the rest of your system unaffected. This is a great lightweight solution if your goal is to browse the web securely and privately on Chrome. Now, you're ready to connect to a server. Open the VPN app or the browser extension you installed earlier. You'll need to log in using the credentials you created when setting up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a list of available servers across various countries. Selecting a server in a different country will make it appear as though you're browsing from that location, effectively changing your IP address. Choose a server in the country you want to appear from. For instance, if you're hoping to access content specific to Germany, select a German server. After connecting to the server, your new IP address will be assigned, and you're all set to start browsing with increased privacy and access to region-specific content. Just keep in mind that while connected to a VPN, your internet speed may vary depending on the distance between you and the server's load. Choosing a server closer to your actual location can help maintain a faster browsing experience if speed is a concern. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your IP address on Google Chrome. Enjoy safer, more private browsing and newfound access to global content. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.